I'm glad to welcome you to the production line of GeoSM. I will be your guide today for an online tour of the geomembrane production and show you all the stages of the manufacturing process. Our company, GeoSM, has been around since 2012 and is currently one of the largest trading and manufacturing companies in Russia and the CIS. I propose that we embark on a detailed tour of the geomembrane production process. This journey will offer insight into each step involved in creating these essentials. The first stage is the preparation of the mix. Here, the BMD granules are mixed with a UV stabilizer and a dye. All of this happens in the hopper. Next, the raw material goes into the main hopper. It is spread out over the extruder, where the melting process of the material takes place. The next stage is where the material is fed onto the calendar rolls, where the thickness of the material is formed. Next, the process of stretching and trimming the edges takes place. The trimmed edge is fed into the shredder for further processing. Next, the finished sheet is fed into the accumulator, which is necessary for the smooth operation of the line during the roll trimming. And basically, the geomembrane is already ready. There's just the final stage left, the stage of winding and packaging. Roll. Let's take a closer look at the process of trimming the edges and recycling them into granules. The crushed material is fed into the small extruder. Next, the mass is transferred into the extruder to form what's called a noodle or rod. Now we move on to the cooling and drying stage. The rod goes through a cooling process in cold water, followed by drying with hot air. At the final stage, the rod is crushed into granules, which are collected in big bags, and then the obtained granules are added to the main raw material. According to GeoSM, no more than 10% of recycled material is allowed to be added. Today we showed you the entire technological process of geomembrane production. The operation of all systems is a coordinated, well-established process. Every day, the staff at GeoSM monitors the quality of the products from the very beginning until the finished product is ready. Thank you for your interest. The production of quality products from GeoSM. Thank you for being with us.